We had a pretty nice stay here at Ouachita State Park on the shores of Lake Ouachita here in Arkansas. This is just about 20 miles outside of Hot Springs, so if you are looking for a nice place to stay that is within quick driving distance of the Hot Springs area, this is a really great place from what we've seen. There's a beautiful lake, and in the warmer months, swimming and boating and all that kind of stuff. It's also, there's the Ouachita Mountains are all surrounding here too, so lots of hiking. We're getting ready, packed up here, and we're gonna head into Texas today. Along the way, we're gonna stop at the Crater of Diamonds. Nolan, my youngest, has had a craving for diamond hunting for a while, ever since he saw this place existed. So we're gonna head there and test our luck and see if we find one. Here we are, guys, at the Crater of Diamonds.
You have arrived.
The world's 8th largest diamond reserve. Over 35,000 found by visitors since becoming a state park. We have arrived at the Crater of Diamonds State Park here in Arkansas. It's a place that Nolan has wanted to go to for a very, very, very long time since he was little.
I'm gonna find a diamond.
We don't really have prospecting tools per se. We have some beach sand toys, so I don't know how lucky we're gonna get here, but we're gonna use what we have and see what we find. So here's an idea of what to look for. There's yellow, white, and brown diamonds, and then industrial diamonds. Those are the kind they put on diamond grinding wheels and things. Behind me is the diamond mine field out there. It's a pretty vast field. I think they stir it up occasionally with plows and whatnot. And it rained last night, so might have stirred stuff up a little bit, so maybe we'll get lucky. Never know. There are a lot of miners out here. It's a Saturday, beautiful day in March here. It's spring break, so I think it's really drawing people out. But, kids have started looking and found a spot to start mining.
There's no dirt on it.
So far I found this little thing. I think it's just a quartz of some sort, but it is sparkling a little bit. On this little guy, I'm not sure. Does it sparkle? Move your hand a little bit. Ooh, yeah, it does sparkle a little bit. I don't know. Scattered throughout the field, they have these shovels that mark the spots where some big diamonds were found in recent history. It's interesting to read about, and they usually have a picture of what it looked like and who found it. Alexa so far has found the one thing that is looking most like a diamond. Now it could be some kind of other crystal or quartz. We are not experts by any means, but this is what it looks like. What do you guys out there think? Turn it. Yeah, there's got a pointy end. I don't know.
So you brought some stuff and dumped it in there, Nolan?
Daddy, take that.
I don't know. Maybe that's where Alexa was digging. I don't know. The Diamond Discovery Center, and the lady explained that it's a faded amethyst, but there's also a sign that said amethyst is purple quartz, so I don't know, that might just make it quartz.
But it still might be worth $50 maybe, just from what we saw online. So who knows? Well, I don't think we found any diamonds today, but we did have a pretty good fun time digging in the dirt, right, Nolan?
Yeah.
And I bumped into a long lost college friend, so that was an interesting thing. Started chatting with this guy, and we'd both give each other a double take, and turns out it's somebody I went to school at Purdue with, so that was pretty fun. But we're ready to get back in our car and head on to our next destination in Texas.
Welcome to Oklahoma.
We're in Oklahoma, the very, very southeastern corner. Gotta cut across. We are crossing the Red River. We will soon be in Texas. There's the little sign. We're in Texas. Woo! Texas, where they have 70-mile-per-hour speed limits on 2-lane roads. We have arrived at the famous Buc-ees in Texas. It's home territory. $2.37. It's been a minute since I've seen that kind of a price. Here, buddy.
He wants it.
You want it?
It's $20.
$20?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Please, please.
Wait, can we all get one? No.
Nolan,
I don't
have a picture of
I
you.
don't.
We should get a bed. Is it soft? Wait,
Yeah, this is.
can I wear this
He's gonna wear it to bed.
Wait, no, actually, it's so cute.
This place is quite the sight to behold. We went to one once a number of years ago in Georgia, but I just got gas. I didn't actually go in the place. I can't even believe everything that's in here. It's pretty funny. They have like an insane amount of food too. We have conquered Buc-ees and walked away with a bunch of stuff that cost money, but oh well.
Our total is $7.
That's what this place is for.
Way down there.
Oh my goodness.
So we hit something along the road. We noticed a really loud bang and it went under our car and camper, and it ripped the water line right off the low point valve to drain the tank. So we've lost all of our water supply, and it's also busted. So I'm gonna have to find some place eventually to fix that. For right now, I'm just gonna zip tie it up and just gonna have to go as it is because I don't know what else to do. So when we were on the interstate, we ran over something. It's dark now. I mean, I didn't see anything on the road, but we felt and heard something hit the bottom of our car, and I assume it probably went back and hit underneath the camper, and that's probably what ripped the water line off. I don't know. We're gonna have to wait a couple days before we can even go to a store to buy anything, because it's Sunday tomorrow and no RV store is going to be open. So unless I can find something at Menards or Lowe's type place, we're just gonna have to figure something out. I could probably find a clamp maybe and clamp the hose tight. That would at least hold the water.
Yeah.
So that's where we are right now. But we lost our whole water supply. It's all over Buc-ee's parking lot now.
And on the interstate too.